Hi everyone, welcome back to Thirdy&Alli channel. Today let's unbox something from QIAMO. They sent us bread proofing basket set. The bread proofing basket set consists of scoring lane, blender, metal scraper, brush, dough cutter, and of course this bread proofing basket. This bread proofing basket is dye and chemicals free. It is splinter free due to their 2-step polishing process. It wicks away excess moisture. It supports dough during the rising process and prints a beautiful ring design into your loaf. It also comes with the linen lining or the cover. This is the dough blender or the mixer. Their metal scraper. This is the scoring lane to make some patterns in your dough. It comes with blades and the leather cover. Let's start baking. The exact measurements of the ingredients can be found in the description box. Pour in the all-purpose flour in the mixing bowl. Followed by the dried yeast. Don't forget to add the sugar. Lastly, for the dry ingredients, we have salt. Give it a good mix to combine all the dry ingredients. And now for the wet ingredients, let's crack 1 egg. Add in the cooking oil. Pour in some milk of your choice. In this recipe, I used fresh milk. Let's try to use the QIAMO blender. So here, I'm mixing all the ingredients, the wet and dry ingredients, to combine. After some mixing and blending, it's time now to knead the dough. If you're going to knead the dough by hand, make sure to put some flour on the counter or on top of the dough so that it won't be sticky. Continue kneading and massaging until the dough becomes smooth. Here I am using the QIAMO dough cater. When the dough is ready for proofing, don't forget to put some oil and flour into the basket before putting your dough. This will prevent the dough from sticking into the basket. Let it rest and rise for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. This proofing basket can hold up to 2.2 pounds of dough. It is easy to use and well handcrafted. Here's the dough after 1 hour. Let us now transfer the dough into the baking tray. And wow, look at those patterns! Beautiful! And now let's use the scoring lame to make some artisan patterns into our dough. I brushed some melted butter into the dough. This is optional. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Check out the QIAMO bread proofing basket set in Amazon now. Link in the description box below. Thank you. This bread is so soft and fluffy. Prepare your coffee now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.